Camping World and Keystone RV are being sued by a couple. It's just filed in September.
All right, so this is coming from newsbreak.com and it's dated September 20th, 2023. Now, we will link the docket in the description below if you want to read a little bit more about what is going on. So the title of this is The Road to Nowhere, Augusta County Couple Files Suit Over Luxury RV Nightmare. This has to do with Robert and Janice Burns of Augusta County, Virginia. They purchased 21 new Keystone Cougar and we're looking for a life of adventure and actually found something a lot different. They paid $77,000 for this, which I know we had said
it's a lot.
Is way more than we ever remembered.
A lot from when we were looking at our trailer.
Right,
it's gone up significantly. Some of the problems that they've encountered, and this is going to be listed in the actual docket, Keystone RV Company and Camping World. The couple claims a range of defects in their newly purchased 2021 Keystone Cougar, like MJ said, from faulty front awning, cracked shower floor, non-functioning heated seats, propane gauge that didn't work. Also, they had a bunch of issues when they took the RV to get repaired at Camping World.
So they had a number of issues, and then more issues happened after the repairs took place. For example, the replacement theater seats actually pierced a hole through the RV floor.
Some
screws went through the floor. So then you have more issues after hoping that it's going to be fixed.
The RV Key TV system was touted to be compatible with all dish networks, and it wasn't, and Keystone admitted that. Now, I don't know what this Key TV thing is. I guess that's a Keystone thing. If you know about it, have experience with it, put it in the comments below. We did do a video, we've done quite a few videos, but we'll put the last video about how to set up a network, internet network on your RV. We'll link it above, and here's a secret, guys. Once you get good RV internet, you can get rid of the dish. You just stream everything. It's such freedom. Yep. It's really simple. Go check that video out.
The suit alleges violations of the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act and the Virginia Consumer Protection Act. So the Burns are claiming the defendants failed to honor their warranty and have engaged in deceptive practices. Among the demands, there's a list of them here: damages in the amount of the RV's purchase price, trebled for willful violation of the Virginia Consumer Protection Act, along with court costs and attorney fees. And they are demanding a trial by jury. They mean business.
The RV came with issues from the manufacturer, but many of the arising issues came from repair attempts. The techs that were dealing with this at Camping World were not able to fix it. And this kind of leads into some other things we want to talk about, and we've said this so many times in so many videos, and we'll continue to do it because we continue to see stories like this. A couple of things that maybe this could have been avoided. So the first thing is, when you're going to buy an RV, if you're going to buy a new RV, if you're going to buy a used RV from a dealership, you not only want to research the manufacturer, of course, and model and get the feedback. Equally, if not more important, is where you buy it from. And why we say this, and we said it on many, many videos, is that at some point you're probably going to be back for service. You're not only buying the RV, you're buying into the dealership, and clearly shown in this case, they bought a new RV, the new RV was under warranty. If you have a problem, you're gonna go back to the dealership you bought it from, and they couldn't fix it. More problems arose from it.
Which leads into number 2, which is PDI. So if you don't know what a PDI is, it's a pre-delivery inspection. Dealerships do PDIs. Now,
some better than others.
Right. When we got our trailer years ago, we went through a PDI. We knew nothing at this point, and we look back now and go, wow, that was a pretty horrible PDI. Now we know that. As newbies, we didn't know that. So you really want to be on your game, knowing what to look for. Before I give you the last one, guys, we did a video recently, we're going to link that up above, about RVing with firearms and how you have to protect yourself. There's so many things in life that you have to, if you don't take ownership and protect yourself, nobody else will. That's one of them. Your health is another one, and this is another one that is coming up now, that you have to make sure that you are your own best advocate and speak up for yourself. If you feel that something's wrong, you're spending a lot of money on these things. The third thing that's going to lead me into that is I don't say must, I never tell people what to do, but we highly recommend that you get a qualified third-party RV inspection upon purchasing a new or used motorhome, trailer, whatever you get. New motorhomes, new trailers, everything coming out these days, guys, as you know, as we see, can have problems. And you don't want to be stuck like these people who could not wait to get out on the road And here they are now 2 years later. This was just filed in September 23. They purchased a 2021, still waiting to enjoy this lifestyle that they so wanted to get into.
A lot of these issues have probably been picked up with a good inspector. And I just want to kind of go back to the warranty claim, because a lot of people don't know this. We didn't know this. When you buy your RV and if there's a warranty claim, most of the time you have to take it back to the dealership you bought it. Now, that's very different than if you buy a car. Like you bought a Tesla. If you have an issue, you could take it to any Tesla or a Ford or whatever. It's not the same way. There could be a Keystone dealer that's 5 miles from you, but you bought it from a Keystone dealer that was 20 miles from you. The Keystone dealer that's 5 miles from you, likely not going to look at it. So just keep that in mind, because that's something that most newbies do not know. One dealership that will work on anybody's RV is National Indoor RV Center, and that was told to us by the CEO, owner, Brett Davis. They will work on any motorhome. I should say motorhome. They don't
yes.
work on trailers. Any motorhome,
Right.
as long as it's within like 15 years or so. After that, it's kind of per basis, because some of them they're beyond hope.
Right.
If you ever find yourself in this kind of situation when you've bought an RV and you're just kind of out of answers, we did do a video with a lemon law attorney, Timothy Abil. He does handle lemon law claims, and RVs fall under lemon law. A lot of people didn't know that.
No.
We didn't know that. So we'll give him a call. He doesn't charge you anything when he takes your case. We'll put his information down below.
We will link the video that we did with Mr. Abil up above. In the comments below, guys, let us know, have you bought from Camping World? Have you bought a Keystone product? How has your experience been?
And then to the left of us, if you like videos like this, we're going to put our RV news playlist. We'll put our RV newbies playlist. And for myself and MJ, it's a journey of a lifetime, and we'll see you on the road.